Legit crafts that make money from home. Knowledge of skilled work is all you need to earn money from home. Virtually, not everyone enjoys the typical employee lifestyle. Working from home is an artifact that is possible when the required skill is acquired. For most of the crafts found in this article, you need to learn the art of creation before you can explore and earn from it. But don't worry, crafts to earn money from home are legit, easy to learn, and simple to begin. Before we list these crafts, it is quite important you know we are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button and ring the bell to be the first to get a notification on the next video. Except you are making crafts for passion's sake, you must consider what is in vogue if you intend to earn from it. Here is a list of legit crafts that make money from home. 1. Soap making. If you have ever prepared your bathing soap yourself, you would agree with me that it is a fun craft to make. Well, aside from being a fun craft, it can also pay your daily bills. Making soaps demands the right knowledge, which consists of quantity and mixture. The perfect soap for your dishes and laundry is one with the perfect mixture and alluring scent. Interestingly, you can decide to sell this goodness to neighbors and friends for money. This is one good craft to make money from home. 2. Photo framing. Picture framing and portrait is one beautiful craft to sell from home. However, you must master the art if you must retain your customers. No one is willing to part with their money only to receive a grisly piece. Photo framing is one craft that makes money from home. You should start this already. If you have the right skill set, it is fun and beautiful creating appealing photos for decorative purposes. 3. Scarves. This is one of my best shots and practical ideas to make money from home. Tried it once and will do it again if I have to work from home. Gracious for social media, scarves are crafts you can sell from home. Simply learn the act of knitting and sewing scarves with different materials. Find trending styles that are fit for different occasions, create it, and put it up on social media handles. Knitting and sewing scarves are sure one of the easiest crafts that make money from home. 4. Scented candles. Every second, every minute, and every day, people are falling in love. These love birds seek different ways to express their feelings. Scented candles come to mind among other uses. Lovers find it alluring while lighting up their romantic space or birthday celebration mood. Pumpkin spice soy candles, mason jar candles, Kai tea lat candles are some ideas for you to explore. Create the bliss, concoct the aroma for two love birds to have an amazing love-bound period. Then, sell this craft from home to make money. 5. Toys and stuffies. Babies love toys, and there is a new baby coming into your locale every second. If you must stay home, earn money from this craft. Create cute handmade stuffies, plush toys for different ages and psyche. Sell them from home and make money. 6. Design mugs. If you have some artistry skills embedded in you, unleash it to create this beautiful craft that can fetch you extra income. Customize mugs for different people, inscribe their names, dabble them in the paint. If the outcome is budget-friendly, beautiful and talent-speaking, you sure can sell this craft from home and make money. 7. Jewelry and makeup accessories. This will be one of the most profitable crafts for the year. Creating DIY projects that solve specific jewelry need will earn you good money. Earring is one of the most popular crafts that can make you money. But jewelry and makeup accessories storage boxes are some of the most profitable crafts to sell. Making money from home can be very fascinating. To achieve this feat, you must master the art of whatever craft you seek to produce. I hope you enjoyed this video on the legit crafts that make money from home. Share your experiences with us in the comment section. Which of these crafts is most ideal for you? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.